Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Java Development Kit, in short JDK, on Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before we start to download the installer, it's a good practice to check if you have already Java in your system. To do that, open your CMD window and type Java space version on your terminal. After you run this command, if you do not have Java on your system, you should have the same result printed on my screen. But I just want to mention that you may also need to check or scan your system for any Java related folder if exists, because sometimes you may have Java installed in your system, but if you haven't added the Java bin folder to your environment variables list, then you might get the same result printed on the screen. But for me, since I know I don't have Java in my system, I'm gonna skip that process. Now open your search engine and type Java in your search bar. We're gonna download the file from the Oracle website, so click on this link that says oracle.com Java downloads. Here you can download the latest release. As you can see, version 23 is the latest release at the time of making this video. Or if you prefer to install the long-term support version, then you can install the x64 installer. Now double-click the installer to start the installation setup. Click Next. Here you can change the file path if you have any reason to change its location, but I would suggest you leave the default location as is. Click Next. As you can see, my installation is completed, so let me close this one. Next, we need to add the bin folder to the environment variables list so that you can run Java related programs from any folder in your system. So to do that, go to your Java folder. If you haven't changed the location of the file during the installation process, you will get the Java folder under program files folder in your C drive. Now copy the file path up to the JDK folder. Next, open the environment variables window from the control panel. You can search it using the search box at the bottom of your screen. Now under the advanced tab, click the environment variables tab. Here under system variables, highlight the path first, then click edit. Click new. Now paste the file path that you have just copied, and don't forget to add the backslash at the end of this file path. Click OK and OK to get out from here. Now we have added the bin folder to the environment variables list. You may also need to set up the Java home in the system variables list. So to do that, open the environment variables window again. Now under the advanced tab, click the environment variables tab. Click new under the system variables section and name the Java home with all caps, same as mine. Now go to your Java file path again and copy the file path up until the Java folder and paste it here. Add the backslash at the end of the file path. Now click OK to save it. Click OK and OK to get out from here. Now almost done. We just need to verify whether the installation and setup were correct or not. So close all the current open CMD windows and reopen a new CMD window. Now type Java space dash version to see if your system recognizes the Java program. You can do the same thing for the compiler. Lastly, we can also check the Java home using the echo command.